My country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Sheggz don't come out for a podcast, come mention about the plans for marriage with Bella, and also how they handle single women wey be say they throw themselves to him. So for the podcast, wey be say Tolani Bad and one another girl they do, where they call Bad and Bougie, they invite Sheggz to come talk about certain things, and some of the questions wey be say they ask am na about the relationship with Bella Okwabwe. So they come ask am say how in dey handle ladies wey say they throw themselves at him. As we all know, Sheggz na fine boy, and even when he dey for inside Big Brother house, I remember during that time the crush on the guy, she try everything possible, the thing not work out, the guy choose Bella. And for those of now wey know, he was a former footballer, which means to say he get money. So make una lis ten to how im take answer this particular question for herself.
So how do you handle single women that throw themselves at you, knowing fully well that you're in a committed relationship? Because clearly you're an attractive man, Yankee. I mean, British accent. Love you. But I'll give credit. London boy. So when single babes throw themselves at you, how do you handle that?
I just think I have too much to lose. Do you know what I'm saying? Like I feel like, and I don't do things that I can't take. So I'm not going to embarrass or disrespect my woman because I'm not going to be comfortable if she does that to me. So it's nice that these people find me attractive or they are interested. But for me, like, I'm already with the one. So it is where it is. Like, I had years where I was single and I wasn't dating. Why didn't they come then? So I don't know, man. And I also feel like I'm also more attractive because people know I'm loyal to my girl. So the minute I'm not loyal anymore, I lose my source.
And I don't hear wetin Sheggz talk for himself. For the doubting Thomases wey remain, you see Sheggz na him get the biggest plot twist from that their season. A lot of us, me inclusive, not expect the boy to be this type of man. I dey very glad say he disappoint all of us. Sheggz, even when he dey for inside Big Brother house, I don't mention am before, say he not pursue woman for there. He only stuck with one woman, which is Bella. Being with one woman, a very peaceful thing. See as the boy dey peaceful. You know they see Sheggz dey bitter online. You will never see him shouting. That na because he get one woman for his life. I not like Sheggz, but you see that woman wey they call Bella. He don't show people say he actually love this girl, and the reassurance wey they always give Bella prove one thing, say this particular guy he dey respect women. So they come further ask am about him marriage plans for the girl. He can explain to us, say the truth be say even if he won't marry Bella, say he no go do am because he and Bella no go do am because of the pressure wey be say fans they put on them. Say they go marry when the right time come and when the both of them decide together. But some fans, they're not happy with the statement where we say he make.
See yourself getting married anytime soon?
That's a good question. A very, very good question.
It shocked you?
It shocked me.
So waiting, Sheila no go marry.
There must be a wedding.
There most definitely will be a wedding, but I think like it's like we just need to know that we're there. Like my mindset is we're not gonna get married because the world is telling us to get married.
I was gonna ask
we're
you that
gonna get
question.
married because we know that it's the right time, emotionally, financially, everything. Like we know that this is the right time for us to take this next step. And like sometimes I be outside, people ask me this all the time, but I'm thinking it's only just about to be 2 years.
Yeah. Do you
ever get tired of that question?
Yes.
It's not like I get tired of it. I just think people should know me better. Like I don't work in a pressure-driven environment, so you're not going to put me under pressure and I'm going to make a dumb decision. Like I have sense.
But so make we see wetin fans talk. The first person here say, I hate when fans tell BBN ships when to get married. I hate ships and anything related to it, but can you all leave these people alone and focus on your relationships? Another one saying there will definitely be a wedding, keyword. So let all the haters bye. Next one say you people should leave Sheggz and Bella. They will get married when they are ready. The last person say these are the kind of answers you hear from a man who is already living with his girlfriend and she's doing wifely duties. Believe me, if these two weren't living together already, there would have been a wedding. This particular last statement actually makes sense to me. Now the truth, the person they talk. Most men, once you don't live with them, they do wife duty for them. It will take years before they go put a ring for your finger. As in, they go they very comfortable with the fact say you they stay with them, you do everything where we say wife they do. So they not go see the need to go see your family. And so most of them they behave. Even if now just few, even they hard, it very, very rare. The same man when we say you as a woman they live with and when we say go just quickly go pay your bride and lie. Most of them once they live with them like that, they go there like that till you get belly Some of them say when you get belle sef, they go still waste your time for there. Oh, when the children don't grow before they go even go manage go pay bride price. Hope Sheggz do the right thing anyways. At the root for both of them. Now take care, una bye.